Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Revolut. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of Revolut because you're logged on in a friend or family member's phone. How do you actually go ahead and sign out? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, first we're going to click on the upper left-hand corner, your profile icon. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on Logout. Once you click on Logout, that should log you out of Revolut. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of Revolut. And if you haven't signed up for Revolut just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.